friends, welcome to Happy Hub. So in this video I'm going to show you a very interesting, world famous and very tasty recipe, which is British fish and chips. It is a very famous dish. It is kind of a national dish in England. So a couple of years back we have gone to UK to visit my sister. So at that point I got a chance to taste this fish and chips food. So from that time I'm really in love with this food, and I was very eager to try this at home. So finally I have tried this at home, and I'll show you the recipe today on how to make this. So come, let's get started.
Welcome back to Happier channel.
So for this recipe you need fish fillets. So if you visit a supermarket, in the frozen section you will be able to find this fish fillets. So you can get a packet of the same. Next we are going to fry this fish fillets using a special batter. So let me tell you the ingredients for that. So you need 1 cup of all-purpose flour for the batter, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour for dusting the fish. And then here you see the club soda water. Basically in the original recipe they use beer for making the batter, but here we are going to use only club soda water, so it is non-alcoholic version. So you can get a can of the same. And next you need some pepper powder, and then required salt, and then for Indianized version I am using chili powder also. So these are the ingredients needed for making our battered fried fish. So now let me take the fish fillet and then cut into half, because you are seeing a very lengthy fillet, so we don't need to fry it as a whole, so we can cut into 2 pieces. So basically you can have the size as around 4 to 5 inches. It shouldn't be very smaller also, and shouldn't be so longer also. So you can take it around 4 to 5 inches. So similarly you can cut the other fillet pieces also into 2 pieces and keep it ready. Now all the pieces are ready. Next take 1 cup of all-purpose flour, mix it with some salt and spread it on a plate. Now we are going to dust the fish pieces in this mixture. Make sure all the fish pieces are very dry. Even if it is wet, just use paper towel to make it dry. So now Carmel is helping me in dusting the fish pieces. So you take each piece and make sure that it is completely covered with the flour mixture. So there shouldn't be any wet spots. Make sure every spot is covered with the mixture. So once you dust it completely, just shake a little so that the extra mixture falls down, and keep it separately. So we have dusted the fish fillets and kept them separately. Now we are going to prepare the wet batter. So for this you add the next cup of all-purpose flour in a bowl, and then you are going to add the other ingredients. You can add required salt. We have already added salt in the fish, so make sure you add little salt. And then you are going to add chili powder for an Indian twist. In the original recipe there won't be any chili powder, only pepper will be used. So after this I am adding freshly ground pepper powder as per your taste. If you need it very spicy you can add more. Next we are gonna add the club soda water into this mixture. So don't add it all at once. Just add a little by little and keep stirring. You will see the bubbles coming from that soda water. Just keep mixing. Make sure that it is mixed well and there are no lumps in it. So similarly you add little by little and then mix it. So you should get a flowy consistency. So now the wet batter is ready. If you see, the batter should be in this consistency. It shouldn't be too thick or it shouldn't be too thin. So once you mix this, just keep it aside for few minutes. After a few minutes, take the fish fillets which are already dusted with flour and then dip this fish fillet inside this wet batter. Make sure that both the sides are coated very well with this batter and then just take it out and remove the excess batter. Now we are going to fry it. Now take a pan with enough oil to deep fry these fish fillets. Make sure the oil is not very hot. Keep it in medium flame and fry. So when you place the fish fillets in oil, just don't disturb it for some time. Let it get fried well. So after some time, once you see the brown spots, then you can flip it on the other side and let it get fried. Now you can see the fillets have turned a beautiful golden brown color. So this is a stage when you can remove from the oil. So remove that and then drain it in a paper towel. Here you go. The yummy fish and chips are ready. So in this video I have shown you how to make the battered fried fish. So for the chips, you can make French fries and you can have that. Actually in the original recipe, the chips will be little thicker, but we can just have with French fries. So for the sauce, you can use mayonnaise and ketchup. I'll upload the recipe for the French fries in a separate video. So here is our master chef who is getting ready to taste the fish. Hope you like this video. Definitely do try this recipe at home. You will love it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified of interesting videos in the future. Thanks for watching.